Hi Rue followers, I'm Stacy Cohen from Rue Edit, and I know we've all been stuck at home over the last month, and we've been getting a lot of calls from people who are thinking about home improvement and how to improve their spaces. So I'm here today to explain to you how, with COVID-19 and social distancing, you can get the room of your dreams designed for as low as $850. I'm a strong believer in that our physical environments really affect how we feel and our level of productivity. And it's really important to feel good in your space, whatever that means to you. Rue Edit is an online affordable interior design service that basically designs rooms for people for a very affordable price and gives you a very cohesive design and shopping list so that you can order everything online and have it delivered to your home. A lot of people have been asking us, how does the service work? So I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you sign up for a room and then show you what you get delivered at the end of the process. And it's typically a 2-week process. So here we are on the website. And then we're going to click on Get Started. Then we're going to register. So you get a friendly hello. Now we are going to choose what room we want to do. So we're going to choose a master bedroom. Okay, then we're going to input some information where we're going to add the width of our room, which is 10 feet. The length is 12 feet. Our ceilings are 9 feet. And my windows start 33 feet from the ground. And I do not have a fireplace. Then we're going to upload a floor plan. And we're going to go to the next step. Okay, now we're going to upload photos of the existing space. And this is now showing you that we want you to stand in each corner of the room and take a picture. So now I'm going to upload my pictures. I've now uploaded all of my images, and it's now asking me if I have any existing furniture that I would like to keep. And if I do, to upload the pictures. Now I'm going to go with all new furniture, so we're going to click to the next step. So now it's asking me my bedroom questionnaire. So what is your budget for furniture? Now this is something really important to keep in mind, is that obviously at different levels different levels of budget, you get a different level of outcome. So I would suggest to be very honest with your budget, and our designers, of course, are always trying to stretch your budget as far as we can, and we're very mindful when making choices. So I'm going to say my budget is $7,500 to $8,500. I think that's going to give me a beautiful master bedroom. What is the current size of your bed? Queen. Would you like to keep this size? Yes. Do you need a new bed frame? Yes. I'm going to get everything new. Do you need storage in the room? Yes. Do you need more hanging storage? No, I don't need more hanging storage. Do you want to change the lighting? I would say yes. Do you need blackout drapery? Yes, that's important. How do you want the room to feel? So now we're asking you for some descriptive words. So I want my room to feel sophisticated, luxurious, and I would say hotel-like. Is there a specific color palette that you prefer for this room? So I would say that I'm going to go with neutrals, whites, and maybe a hint of pink. Would you be interested in repainting? No, I don't need to repaint. And are you in? Yes, I'm definitely interested in wallpaper. And then it gives you the opportunity to offer any other information that you want. And now we're going to go to the next step. Okay, so now they're asking you to select up to 3 rooms that you love. And there's a note here that says, don't worry, we know that the images may not match the room you choose. We're just looking for your style criteria. Okay, so I really like something like this, which I think shows that I have a bit of an edgy, eclectic taste. And I like this. And I think that this is cool. Then it says upload up to 5 inspirational photos. So if you have inspirational photos that you want to upload, then you can do that. In this case, I don't. We're going to the next step. And now we're at the payment method. So now you're going to enter all your credit card information. And then you're going to get the opportunity to set up your 10-minute phone consult. So one other thing that I want to mention is that the price is calculated by the square footage. So they got the square footage by the length and the width of the room that I provided. So my subtotal is $950, and with tax, it's $1,073.50. Entered in our credit card and paid for everything. And now it's giving us the opportunity to book a live chat with one of our designers. So I'm going to choose my chat for Friday, April 17th. And I'm going to say 9:30 a.m. Confirm. Now I'm going to enter in my information. So now I've entered in my information for the designers to call me, and it also gives me the opportunity to add guests in case I want anybody else to join the call. And I also have the opportunity to add anything else that I might discuss during our meeting for the designers to prepare. I'm going to schedule the event. And we are confirmed. Now that I've shown you the process that you go through to input all of your information, which you can see takes about between 10 and 15 minutes, I'm going to show you what the call looks like with one of our designers and the kinds of questions that we ask you.
Kind of go through high level everything that I did already ask, and then go through your inspiration because it's absolutely stunning. I did see the black shelving that you mostly sent pictures of, correct? Do it. Okay. Okay, I get it. I totally get it. Yeah.
The thing that's really unique about this service is that there are actual really experienced, talented designers behind the computer screens who are listening to all of your requirements, who are communicating back and forth with you and really trying to understand what your needs are and then bringing that to life. So after our designers have a call with you and have a really good understanding of what it is that you're looking for, we are then going to connect with you. It's kind of like a check-in point in the process. And we're going to say, hey, Jessica, we've completed 3 style boards for you. We want to get your feedback and see which ones you like best so that we can move further along into the process. So here's an example of what the style boards would look like. So here you're going to see 3 options of style boards that are fairly different from one another so that you can get some variation in what you could do with your room. So this is option 1. This is option 2. And then this is option 3. So 3 fairly different looks. Once we hear back from our client and we understand what it is that which style board they want to go with, that's when we start executing the rest of the package. And I'm going to show you now what your complete package looks like when you get a full room edit package. So you'll get a cover page, then you'll get a floor plan, and your floor plan will indicate where everything is. So you'll see your bed, your night tables, your area rug. And this is really helpful to have because let's say that you didn't necessarily love the nightstands that we chose for you. You know that you should be looking for a night table no larger than 38 inches wide. So it gives you the tools to choose things on your own if you decide to go that route. Then you'll get your style board. So this is the style board. So as you can see, we went with style board 2 from the previous one, but we had some requested changes like the wall cover and the bench. Then you're going to get a 3D rendering. So this shows what your room is actually going to look like when it's done. And then you're going to get, that's another view. This is, in this case, a makeup table with a mirror and a chair. And then you're going to get an interactive shopping list. So All of these items you can purchase by just clicking on Buy Me, and it will take you to the website, and then away you go. So that's how the service works in short. At Room Edit, we design bedrooms, we do family rooms, living rooms, dining rooms, kids rooms, playrooms, any kind of room that you're looking for. We're doing a lot of offices because people are working from home and wanting to create really nice spaces at home for them to work in. And we also have a really interactive live chat function on the site. So if you need help going through it, reach out to our designers and we hope to edit your room.